Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel. Today I have a package. This one came from America and I have this Victorinox knife and let's see what is inside. I know what is inside today. This is a pen that I bought last year. It was kind of a Kickstarter project. I once bought from the same brand and it all went well the same way, so I'm really excited. So let's just take a look at what is inside. Okay. I'm doing this in the ugly way. It's very simple. They don't take a lot of trouble with the packaging. And it comes this, a little bit crushed because it comes that way. This is an ENSSO pen. They could be a little bit more careful with these, but in fact I don't really care that much about this, the box. So let's open this. Oh, and let me show you. I'm a little bit excited. It is unscrewed there. Sometimes that happens when metal pens come in the mail. They unscrew the caps. Sometimes it happens. So ENSSO is a brand in the United States, but they have kind of Italian names and Italian models, and I think they have some Italian inspiration, but they are on the United States and they make pens. They make pens of metal, many different variations, or at least some variations, and last year they had this copper one. So it is a limited edition. You had to go for it, to buy it in advance, and then wait couple of months until you receive it. And so here is a very shiny pen, all made of copper. And this one is called, why is this not focusing? This is the ENSSO Italia. The Italia is the name of the model. Now, let me just go a little bit around and tell you that I have an ENSSO pen already, which is this little thing. This is the ENSSO XS Minimalist in copper, also a special edition that I bought the same way. It is faceted, it isn't a screw cap, it is held in place by O-rings there. You can check my review on the channel. So this is an interesting pocket pen made of copper, quite heavy, and a Bock nib. This one also made of copper, also heavy, of course. It has lots of texture in these little details. It's nice. It has this Greek key on the cap band, and let me uncap it. And we have here also these got a little bit unscrewed. This is, or maybe they don't over tighten it before they ship it, and there you have it. Some things may look a little sharp, maybe because it's very new. It comes with this Bock nib, which I usually like a lot. Some people don't like Bock nibs, prefer Jovo. I am one of the few that prefer Bock nibs, usually. Also the Greek key engraving on the base of the nib. It is a cartridge converter pen. It comes with converter. It is an international sized converter or cartridges, so very convenient. And this is really a nice, interesting pen. So just for some comparisons, and I won't take too much time with this video, it is an unboxing. I know sometimes I can take 20 minutes of unboxing. I'll try not to do that. So it makes a very nice popping sound. This is the XS, which is very small. This has lots of patina because it is an older pen. This is brand new, so very shiny. And I also have, just for size comparison, this is pocket pen, this is a normal size pen, and I have here a bigger pen, which is the Parker Senior Dufold Replica in copper. So they are all interesting pens. These will not fit like this, but let me just uncap them so you can see. This one has a a Parker nib for the centennial size, which is around a number 6 nib. This is the Bock nib number 6 on the Italia, and you can see it is similar size. Let me see if it is all in frame. And I have here the minimalist, which is, or the XS, which is meant to be used posted, but this one has the black nib of Bock, and it is a number 5 nib. So this is it. This is how they look. This one is not meant to be posted. You can, but not. It doesn't post securely and becomes a heavy beast. Not meant to be used like that. This one becomes very comfortable because when the cap is not there, it is too short to be really comfortable to use. And this Italia, I think for me it's to be used unposted. But if it posts, yes, it posts, and it posts quite deeply. Oh, okay. This one is kind of strange because it has more weight on the barrel there, on the cap, but the biggest part of the weight gets here, so it's not really back heavy. I have to think. It posts very deeply. So let me just keep my finger here, my both fingers there, where the cap ends, and let me take this out. So it posts like this, very deeply. This is how, in my opinion, pens should post. This is the perfect way. So I'm very happy with this pen. The clip has a very simple design, quite stiff, but with this slope design, I think it will be very comfortable. So, or very easy to use. I think this is really a nice pen, quite impressive. Now, just to finish this video, this pen is called Italia, and oops, the package. The Italia, I would say it really resembles a little bit an Italian pen. And I have, for example, this one. This is an Omas Milord, and you can see the same kind of design. It has the clip. The clip on this one is different, but there is also a Milord with the same kind of clip, but also with a little wheel there to help. It has a Greek key on the cap band, but cap band here is a different material. That one is nice. And it has this part, which is nothing, it's just a design feature, but it is very reminiscent of the place where the turning knob is. You could do this, you could show this on this pen, or you could show this, and I don't think I have it here near me. Let me just check. I have too many pens around, and I never have the ones that I want near me in the moment I want them. Okay, but I found it. Another pen that we can see a similar design is this more modern Leonardo, Officina Italiana Momento Zero. This is the Grande version. It has also this kind of blind cap. This one has a rounded barrel, this one has a faceted one. I think this is conical parts on both ends of the pen. Also this one. So not as pointy as those, but it is also the same kind. So it is really a very classic design. And the Omas looks like this. Also has, again, a Greek key under the cap there. This one has on the end of the section. It's fun to have these similarities. And this one has a very different shape of section. But when we look at them, if this is an Italian design, and they are obviously, I can understand this pen is called Italia. So I'm very happy to have another pen joining my copper pen collections, my copper pens collection. I have a video on my copper pens, the collection overview. You can check it if you want it. And if I remember, I'll put a link on the description of this video. and maybe it will be time to make another collection overview, this time showing this new ENSSO Italia in copper. I'm really happy to have this one. I have to say that I love copper pens. This one is so new that you can really feel every engraving on your fingers. If you ask me, I can't wait to get it with this kind of patina, and the patina on this replica of a Parker Dufold is really amazing. I just wanted to have this kind of look. That's one of the reasons why I love copper, is the way it ages. So, this is all for today. This is a very nice pen. If you go to their website now, it's not available anymore because I think they made this pre-sell, and so all units, they only produced the units that were ordered. I think it were 200 units for them to make the batch. So here I have it with a very simple, clean design box. Not much thing. They don't send any letter, anything, just this, and it's not really important for you to keep this. So very simple, very straight to the point. I like this, and I can't wait to ink this pen. Although I have lots of pens with ink right now, so I must think what to do. So this is all for today. I will post a review when I've used this pen enough. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It is important to support the activity of this channel, and we will meet again soon here in this channel, I hope, for another video. So, bye!